4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We are the unstoppable team. We are representing the angle grinder for the company DWT Power Technology Company. The angle grinders is a handheld power tool with multiple uses that include grinding surfaces, removing excess metals and polishing to fine the surfaces. We were very motivated to design this product as it was very challenging and contains complex mechanical motions. One of the great qualities of the angle grinder that it is portable. It is also very safe to use with great efficiency. Another great thing about the device is that it is relatively cheap. As you can see, the main motion is concentrated on the electric motor that generates 500 revolutions per minute that rotates the two shafts and gears that you can see in the video. As you can see, the motor is rotating a shaft which then turns the gears around, resulting to revolve a second shaft that carries the grinding wheel. As represented on the screen, there is a higher torque from the gear than the internal torque produced from the fixation point. There is also a normal force on the shaft from the key. As you can see, that the shaft is safe as the yield strength is greater than the highest stress failure. The factor of safety is also very high due to the importance to minimize injuries.